Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Nvidia Corporation, a company that's making waves in the tech industry with its groundbreaking advancements in AI and data centers. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Nvidia Corporation reported record quarterly revenue of $30 billion for Q2 2024, up 15% from Q1 and 122% from the same period last year. The company also achieved record data center revenue of $26.3 billion. GAAP earnings per diluted share were 67 cents, and non-GAAP earnings per diluted share were 0.68 cents. Nvidia returned $15.4 billion to shareholders in the first half of fiscal 2025 and announced an additional $50 billion in share repurchase authorization.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $30.0 billion, up 15% from the previous quarter and up 122% from the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
GAAP earnings per diluted share were 67 cents, up 12% from the previous quarter and up 168% from a year ago. Non-GAAP earnings per diluted share were 68 cents, up 11% from the previous quarter and up 152% from a year ago.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Data center revenue was $26.3 billion, up 16% from the previous quarter and up 154% from a year ago. Gaming revenue was $2.9 billion, up 9% from the previous quarter and up 16% from a year ago. Professional visualization revenue was $454 million, up 6% from the previous quarter and up 20% from a year ago. Automotive revenue was $346 million, up 5% from the previous quarter and up 37% from a year ago.
Cash flow and financial health. Were there any changes in cash dividends or stock splits announced in the current quarter?
Nvidia announced an additional $50 billion in share repurchase authorization and completed a 10-for-1 forward stock split on June 7, 2024.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Announced the combination of Nvidia H200 Tensor Core and Nvidia Blackwell Architecture B200 Tensor Core processors. Revealed H200 GPU-powered systems are now available on CoreWeave. Unveiled Blackwell systems featuring Nvidia Grace CPUs. Reported broad adoption of the Nvidia Spectrum-X Ethernet networking platform. Released Nvidia NIM for broad availability to developers globally. Unveiled an inference service with Hugging Face powered by NIM microservices on Nvidia DGX Cloud. Introduced Nvidia AI Foundry service and NIM inference microservices. Announced Japan's ABCI 3.0 supercomputer integrating H200 GPUs and Nvidia Quantum 2 InfiniBand networking.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
Nvidia's outlook for the third quarter of fiscal 2025 includes expected revenue of $32.5 billion, plus or minus 2%, and GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins of 74.4% and 75.0% respectively, plus or minus 50 basis points.
What are the expected operating expenses and other relevant financial projections for the next period?
GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses are expected to be approximately $4.3 billion and $3 billion respectively. Full-year operating expenses are expected to grow in the mid to upper 40% range.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Nvidia has demonstrated exceptional performance with record revenues and significant growth across its major business segments. The company's strategic initiatives and product launches indicate strong future prospects, particularly in AI and data center technologies. Overall, Nvidia's financial health and strategic direction suggest a positive outlook for investors.
That's all for today's analysis of Nvidia's stellar performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Nvidia is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.